How to learn artificial intelligence. Are you guys facing issue to learn artificial intelligence on DataCamp? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open DataCamp on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for Explore. Just simply tap on Explore. After you click on Explore, head over to this option where you can see these popular courses. Now simply tap on See All. After you click on See All, you can see this option for Understanding Artificial Intelligence. Just simply tap on it. After you tap on it, you will be able to learn or start the course related to artificial intelligence. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna learn artificial intelligence on DataCamp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.